Hello everybody and welcome back to Potato Creations Christmas Scratch. Oh yeah. So here we are. We are gonna do some more coding. And like I said last time, we're gonna do recipes. We're gonna add some more items. I'm gonna tell you how to do textures. I don't have any on me at the moment. I need to get them done. I will at some point. And also we'll add a creative tab to it so we can actually view it in our own different tab. So yeah, are you guys ready? Hopefully you're ready. You ready? You ready? You ready to go? It's good. It's good. Okay, so we're going to start off with some recipes. Now, the plan here is I don't particularly want to make crafting items. I only want to make the food items. So I'm going to use things that are already in the game, like wheat and cookies and stuff like that. Just random recipes are going to be. Really random. But what we're going to do is going to make a new class inside here. Inside there. Going to go new class. And you're going to call it recipes. If I can spell today. There we go. And just going to click OK. And there we go. And we're going to make a new public static void. Public static void. Init. So for initialization. What is happening with my indentation today? Come on. And you go back there. Right, and what we're going to do is going to put game registry. So this is the registry for the game, blocks everything. Dot add recipe. And then what we do is this one, new shaped. So you want this to be shaped recipe. New shaped recipe. No, I've done this wrong. Oops, done it wrong. We want to do here needs to be a new item stack, and it needs to be so we want to craft our mince pie, so we do mod items dot mince pie, and then we put a column, and then basically how this works is it goes one, so this is, pretend this is our crafting table, and there's 3 spaces along, so that's our top one, that's our second one, that's our middle one, and that's too many, and that's our, hang on, there you go, and that's our last one. Now what we do is we lay it out, so this is the top left, this is top middle, this is top right, this is middle left, this is middle right, middle, this is middle right, and then this is bottom left, middle left, bottom middle, and bottom right. So we want our mince pie to be maybe wheat across the top. So we'll do www, and then in the middle there'll be a cookie. So we'll put C. Yeah, and then maybe on either side of that we'll have sugar. So we'll put S. And on the bottom we'll have wheat again. So you may be like, how does it know what W is, and how do you know what C is and S is? Well, that's what comes next. What you need to do next is put comma, and then in the quotation mark, not quotation marks, in this, yeah, quotation. I can't remember whatever these ones are, the mini ones, the small ones. And so we're going to do wheat, so it's W, and you do another comma, and then you put new item, no, yes, new item stack, material, dot, not material, why am I doing material, item dot, items dot wheat, there you go, so that's that, and then, next one, which is, S, so that's sugar, so we do the same, new item stack, items dot sugar. And then one final one, which is, there we go, yep, that's one final one, which is C. And just exactly the same, but this time it's cookie. So it's new item stack, items dot cookie. There we go, and there we go. It's simple. So now we go ahead into our mod main class, and here, you say it says mod items dot init, you're going to just do recipes. Recipes.init, and there you go. Recipes are done. Bam, bam, bam. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Done, done, done. So what we're going to do next is we're going to get our creative tab done, and then we're going to add some more, and then I'll show you how to add textures, and it'll be all good. So, creative tab. How does creative tab work? Well, it's fairly easy. We need to make a new class called creative tab. There we go. So we're going to call it creative tab Christmas Crunch. So creative tab Christmas Crunch. There we go. And it doesn't extend anything. You may be like, it doesn't extend anything. That's because we need to make a public static final of a creative tab. So we're going to make a new creative tabs. I'm going to call it Christmas Crunch tab. And that's going to equal to a new creative tab. And we need to tell, it's automatically given us all the stuff we need. But in here, we need to tell it what the mod ID is. So we put reference.mod ID. That's that done. And now we need to return, it's saying here that we need to give it the icon tab. So we're going to put it as the mince pie. So we do mod items.mince pie. And it's going to give us an error. And what we're going to do is we're going to just add that. And that should fix everything. Oh no, about that. Yes, there we go. And that's fixed it. There we go. We got ourselves a creative tab. All we need to do now is head into our classes. So item Christmas Crunch, and set this to, instead of that, we do creative tab Christmas Crunch.cc tab. And we're done. It's that simple. Now all of them will be in our own separate tab, no longer in food. And yeah. So now let's add some more items. So I've got a list somewhere. Okay, right. Yeah, here it is. So we're going to do item Gingerbread Man. That's Christmassy. And that extends item Christmas Crunch. And then create constructor, an amount of hunger. We're just going to put here as 4. And remove that. And again, we don't really do much except for this code. So what we're going to do, I guess we could put this in theory, we could put this in our main class. We don't have to do it every time, but it's just easier putting it here. Also, returning this, it's not really, yeah. So yeah, let's move on. We're going to copy this back into Gingerbread Man. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to get rid of that, and then all that is going to go into here, and that's going to move up to here. And there we go. I just like to keep it all organised so like it is normally. There we go. So that's Gingerbread Man. We've also got Candy Cane. Item Candy Cane. Oh, that's cane. And it's going to give me an error, so I'm just going to rename the file. And this also extends item Christmas Crunch. There we go, and we're just going to put in 4 here. I'm going to get rid of this. Oops. There we go. And again, we're going to go back into our Gingerbread Man. We're going to take it from Gingerbread this time. Yeah, and we've got to do one thing. We've got to change this to Candy Cane. Now that won't exist. It's going to give me an error. So we'll come back to that in just a second. So back to the Gingerbread Man. We're going to need that. We're going to put that in there. And then finally, we're going to need this to go in here. And it's still going to give us an error because we haven't added it to our file. And we're just going to just change this to Gingerbread Man. And what else we've got? Christmas pudding. Let's just add one more Christmas pudding. So we're only going to do 4 items for now. Item Christmas pudding. And then this extends item Christmas Crunch. I'm gonna make a new one, and that's gonna be 4. They're all gonna be 4 because easier. And we're just gonna go back. We're gonna go through again. Christmas Pud. We'll change it to Christmas Pud because it's a lot easier. Gingerbread Man. Thank you. You can go up in there. And then final one. We've got to add in our uneaten. And there we go. So let's head back into our names. And we've got to add all of them. So we got, how many more have we got? 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to change this to Candy Cane. Christmas Pud. And Gingerbread Man. And then again, you just got to go Candy Cane. Christmas Pud. And Gingerbread Man. And there you go. And now we've got to go back into mod items. And again, I've got to copy this a few times. So 3. So this is Candy Cane, Christmas Pud, and Gingerbread Man. No, that's like that. And this is item Candy Cane, item Christmas Pud, item Christmas, item Gingerbread. I've got to do one thing here, guys. This is no longer going to be that. It's going to be item Christmas Crunch. That's what that's going to be. I just changed that up there, guys. So yeah, I forgot to make that change. So they're meant to be item Christmas Crunch now, guys. So we've got to do 3 more of these. 1, 2, 3. They're not going to give you error, so you got to be careful because you got to actually change these yourself. Because there's no, in theory, it's no error because it's just registering it multiple times. And then you just got to change these. Candy Cane, Christmas Pud, Gingerbread Man. Okay, and so basically that's it. We're going to do one more thing. We need to go change our lang file. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do Candy Cane. What else we got? Christmas Pud. And Gingerbread Man. And of course, got to choose this again. Candy Cane. Christmas Pudding. And Gingerbread Man. Okay, we've got to do one more because our what's it called? I've forgotten what to say now. Our creator tab won't actually be called what we want it called because again, language is stuff. And what we need to do is instead of item, we need to put item group because it's a group of items. It's dot Christmas Crunch equals Christmas Crunch. I'm really just going to go with that space. And save that. Okay. I would add recipes for all the others, but it's just easier to keep it down to 1. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you now how to add textures, and then we're going to launch up the game. We're going to see what we got, and then yeah, I'll tell you how to add textures now. So let me just load this up. So here we have we're in our Christmas Crunch source, then main folder, and what we need to do is we need to go into resources, assets, Christmas Crunch, and lang. Well, you see, we're not going to go into lang folder because we want a new folder here called textures, and inside there you're going to want items, and in here you put all the names of your items. So like we have here, so it's, if you want doing mince pie, it would be mincepie.png and it will go in this folder. And if there was candy cane, it would be candy cane. And you need to make sure you get the capitalization and everything like that right. It's not this name, it's this name. So yeah, we're gonna do one final thing. Is what we're gonna do is we're gonna head in here. We're gonna head into the mcmod.info file. It's down here in resources, and you're gonna change all this. So Christmas crunch, and I'm gonna change this to bringing some Christmassy crunches to the game. I'll be right back in a minute, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys, but here we are. We're back. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix up this Christmassy crunches to the game. So it's gonna get the version from the mod, because we put in the app mod what it is. We haven't got a URL. We haven't got an update. It was made by me. It was also made by well, it was made by me and Bugzoo for ideas and textures. So there we go. There's no dependencies, there's no screenshots that I can get, there's no logos I don't have. I have. So I'm going to we saved it, and I'm going to launch up the game, and I'll see you guys in just a second once I've launched up the game. Okay guys, so here I am in my testing world. We've got quite a few slimes here, so I'm just going to set it to peaceful. And, you know, I'm just browsing around. Ooh, no, it's not in foodstuffs anymore. Ooh, there's an extra page. Oh, Christmas Crunch. It's got no textures because we haven't set them to have any textures. I think I might have one from the candy cane. So if you guys just give me a sec, I might be able to load one up for the candy cane. And then you can see it working. But yeah, I'll see you guys in just a sec. Okay guys, I'm back and I loaded up a texture into the game, like I told you guys how. I'll just confirm that. Look here, candy cane. I also changed the creator tab to be the candy cane. So there's candycane.png. And I'm going to go here. Oh look, there's my candy cane. Oh look, here's my candy cane. So we've got all our items, Christmas pudding, Gingerbread Man. Oh yeah. So yeah. Let's try this out. So we're going to go game mode 0. We're going to run around. Oh look, I'm already low on health. Eat up my candy cane. I got 16. Awesome. Let's run around a bit more. Try to lose my hunger. See if I can. Come on. Oh, I think it's... Oh! I was like, I think we're on peaceful. That's why. No, very much not on peaceful. I think we're on medium. Or normal. Okay, let's try the mince pie. It's giving me 16 coal. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to keep running around. We're going to try each and every one. Here we go. Christmas pudding. 11 apples. Nice. Let's keep going. Yes. The mobs are everywhere. Help me. This is gonna be a long bloody episode, isn't it? Jesus Christ. Come on. How did that creeper get here? Why haven't I done any? Why haven't I taken any hunger? Oh, here we go. Alright, we're gonna try out the Gingerbread Man. Does it taste nice? Oh, I just found some netherrack. Ah! Jesus! Go away. Anyway, that was today's video. Help me, please. Don't. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow, Christmas Day, we will release the mod. Kind of. Yay!